Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a Glitterbels haul. Now I got an email a few days ago saying that they've got back the gel and the acrylic mystery bundle thingy-majiggies. So last time I got 2 acrylics, 2 gel. This time I've done 1 acrylic, 3 gels. Because I don't really have that many gel polishes because I use acrylic, but I thought, you know, that it would be nice to get some more Glitterbels gels. Anyway, so I got gel 1, gel 3, gel 5. I will put them to the side because I'm going to do them in a minute. And then here I got Acrylic Box number 1. So let's open this. See, I was going to get a couple of these acrylic ones, but from last month they were kind of the same. I mean, you got the forms and crystal clear and tips and whatnot. So here's a sneak peek. I really hope I like this one. So we've got a pack of number 2 extreme length stilettos. We have honey buff shimmer acrylic. I've not got that one, which is fabulous. We got blue pastel. I think I've got that. Oh, cuticle clean. Okay. We have shooting stars. I'm going to do swatches of these. Is that it? And then we've got chameleon chunky. Did I get a chameleon chunky before? Hang on a minute. I've got chameleon mix, but they look the same. Oh no, that's got a finer glitter. Okay. Yeah, so that is it. There's not much, is there? Okay. I was expecting more. But I guess what do you expect for 25 quid? Right, now onto the gels. I really bloody hope these are good. So, gel 1. Not a fan of the old packing peanuts, let me tell you. Let's put that to the side. Right, we have oatmeal, which is the unbelievable gel. We have tea party, again unbelievable gel, and then we have 4 gel polishes. So this is honeydew. Oh wow, that is lovely. But as we're going into winter now, not winter, autumn, but it's okay. Then we have Dorothy. Is it? This looks like it's going to be a, oh, that's beautiful. Like a glittery, fine glittery, ooh, beautiful red. And then we have octopus. pretty. And Magical Moments. This is right up my street. Absolutely stunning. I love that colour. Right. I'm going to have to put this in here so I don't get confused. So, that is box. That's box 1. Now box 3. Okay. Glad in a way that we don't have top coats because she was dishing them out last month. So why is that dusty? So this one we have a khaki camouflage. Like I say, I will do swatches after. Sweet syrup, nice autumnal colour. Then we have olive dressing. Oh, that's lovely. Really nice green. This one, Duzzy Avocado. Lovely green. Then Sorbet Delights. Oh, this is pretty. And then this one's gorgeous. Sweet Memories. It's like a lilac. Oh, look at that. Stunning. Okay, so that was box 3. Let's stick them back in there. And then lastly we have gel box number 5. We've got a right little collection going on. Okay, so for the Unbelievable gel we got Isn't It Obvious? So it looks like pink. It's a Fling. Beautiful. Really love that. Oh, this is the Romance collection. Then we have 4 gel polishes. Wise Owl. Ooh. Ooh. And then a grey. Graceful Grey. Oh, it's like a nice dark grey. And we have Autumn Rose. Autumn Rose? Yeah. Autumn Rose. Oh, wow. Beautiful. That is really, really beautiful. And then lastly we have Prune Juice. Gorgeous. Absolutely love those colours for autumn, winter. Right, what I'm going to do is get some swatch sticks. I think it'll be easier. If I do the gel off camera because I'm going to have to do 2 coats and whatnot. But with the acrylic one, I don't know. Let me think. I'll come back. Okay, so I have swatched box 1. So this is the Unbelievable gel in Tea Party. A couple of people actually told me to leave some of the silver on, so I did listen. So here is Tea Party. Do it against my arm. Pretty. And then oatmeal, which looks like that. Love that. Then the gel Magical Moment, which looks like that. Very beautiful. Really, really love that colour. Then we have Octopus, which is like a deep red and it's got some fine glitter in it. I'm not sure if you're going to see that, but there's that one. Then Dorothy, which is like a lighter red with glitter. And then this neon yellow, which is called Honeydew. Okay, box number 3, the sweet syrup, which looks like that. Here is the swatch, a beautiful burnt orange, great autumnal colour, and khaki camouflage. Oh shit. So yeah, it's really great khaki green. Them two together screams autumn. Then we have Sweet Memories, which is this beautiful, it's like pearly kind of lilac. Really, really beautiful, that one. And then we have Olive Dressing. Beautiful green. And Duzzy Avocado. Another darker green. And then Sorbet, excuse me, Sorbet Delights, which is that. So I will show you them all together, if I can do that. There we go. Very autumnal, if you take away that lilac one. Really, really beautiful. Okay, now gel box number 5. We have It's a Fling. It's beautiful, beautiful colour. Love that. Which looks like this. Now this one I was really shocked. I'll show you quickly. It looks like a pink, yeah? It's called Isn't It Obvious? Oh no, it started to rain. My daughter didn't go out with a coat. Look how vibrant that is. And there it is. Now what I'm seeing in real life and what I'm seeing on camera are two different things. It's more of a vibrant, really, really like a neon orange. Then onto the gels, we've got Prune Juice. Gorgeous colour. Really, really love that. And then we have a grey, graceful grey. Stunning. Love me a grey. And then this is Wise Owl. This is a beautiful green. I say green, it's like a grey green. I don't know. Maybe I'm colourblind and I just don't know it. And then the last one is Autumn Rose. What's that? Really beautiful, that colour. Okay, so that is the gel polishes. Now I will show you the acrylics. Now I didn't show you what they looked like in the pot. So this is Honey Buff Shimmer. This is absolutely stunning. It is so pretty. I really, really love this one. And it looks like this. I hope you can see the shimmer in it. It's so pretty. Hang on. That's gorgeous. Then we've got Blue Pastel, which says what it is on the tin. So here is the baby blue. If you can see a little bit of shimmer in there, it was just from the previous acrylic. And then this one, I was like, oh wow. Oh, what's it called first? Shooting Star. Are you ready for it? Look at that. It is gorgeous. It's absolutely peeing it down here. My daughter has not got a coat. Damn it. That is very beautiful. Love that. And then lastly, oh, 1 second. Sorry about that. It was a delivery. I was hoping that was my daughter. Chameleon Chunk. Now this is obviously a glitter, but I thought I would swatch it and show you what it looks like. It is proper hammering it down. Okay, there's that. Still a little bit wet, but beautiful. So that is all. Oh, so they're the acrylics. Then we've got the tips and the drill bit. I'm very happy with the gel polishes. Really happy with the gel polishes. I mean, I know they are going for I think £25 at the moment. They're on sale. But if I was paying full price, 50 quid for that, I'd be screwing. But I think that's what I don't know. I'm just assuming because they're doing them half price, they're just chucking in this. But the gel polishes I am so happy about. I'm in an R-ing whether to get 2 and 4 now. But I won't be getting the acrylic one, I don't think. Yeah, I mean, I would understand, right, with these tips if they were full tips so you could do designs on them. But you know what, I'm not going to say anything. Anyway, sorry this was a long one, but I did have a lot to go through. Thank you all so much for watching. You'll see me in the next one. Bye for now.